Hello everyone, welcome to CryptoTalk YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use spin2Earn. In previous video, we talked about what is spin2Earn. So I'm going to tell you how to use spin2Earn. So there are two ways of earning tokens with spin2Earn. So first one is a spin wheel, and the second one is referral program. So now let's have a look at them. Okay, this is the main page of spin2Earn.io. Here you can see play now. Click on it and it takes to this page. As you can see, the latest winners, they are all here, and this side you can see connect your wallet. This is your spin wheel, so you can get 3 free spin. If you're a new user, you can get 3 free no losing spins, so you can win $10 and maximum is $1,000. If you're lucky enough, you can get $1,000. So winnings are paid out by token owners using PancakeSwap API. Okay, so let's connect our wallet first of all. So I'm using MetaMask. So my wallet is connected. So I'm giving I'm seeing this because you don't see this. Okay, I'm seeing this because I don't have any token in my, so it is zero. I just created this wallet, so it says that you have to use your wallet and wallet should be active, so it is not active. So if your wallet is active, you are good to go. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just spin your wheel and get your reward. And the second one is referral program. So this is my referral link, so you can share your referral link and get paid instantly to your connected BSC wallet address for every referred winning. So you invite people to your through your link, so each time they use their spin, so you get 10% commission. So this section shows your river earnings, so it is so far zero. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any question, any concern, please mention them in the comment section, and thanks for watching.